it, boy. It's not the end of the world.
Yes, it is.
Years later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Emergency for you. South. The National Weather Service in
Huntsville
has issued a spongebob warning for you. South. Until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous spongebob near Athens. Doppler radar showed this moving east at 5 miles an hour. This is a spongebob emergency for you. South. This includes
Huntsville
you. South.
The flex world, where everything as far as the eye can see is made of liquid rubber. In a can!
Washington, Nebraska, Navasota, Naleva, Yarborough, Stoneham.
This is an extremely dangerous spongebob. Complete devastation likely. You could be killed, if not underground, or in a spongebob shelter. Do not delay. Seek shelter now. If no underground shelter is available, seek shelter in an interior room of the lowest level of a structure, or if time allows, consider moving to an underground shelter elsewhere. Mobile homes and outbuildings will offer no shelter from spongebob. Repeating, a spongebob warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the United States 27 Pines Boulevard.
Later.
The giant
spongebob
that had been floating across parts of the United States has been shot down by an American fighter jet.
Breaking news: SpongeBob found dead in Chicago after being shot and killed by U.S. Army forces. Here is the audio clip.
Enemy down.
Hooray!
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
All clear. All clear. SpongeBob has been shot dead in the streets of Chicago and will be cremated for use in kitchen sponges. Skill issue, not gonna lie, all residents are free to leave their shelters. Thank you for your cooperation. Have a nice day.